Bay Window Installation in Vestavia Hills, AL, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay Windows Birmingham contractors provide expert guidance to ensure a seamless installation process. Custom bay windows in Birmingham, Alabama, allow for personalized design options that cater to individual preferences. These custom solutions offer flexibility in dimensions, materials, and features, ensuring each installation meets the specific needs of the homeowner. Bay Windows Birmingham experts can help bring your unique vision to life. Energy-efficient bay windows in Vestavia Hills are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Designed to minimize heat loss and improve insulation, they make for an eco-friendly option. Bay Windows Birmingham specialists can advise on the best energy-efficient models to suit your home. Bay Window Replacement in Birmingham is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old units with modern, efficient options can enhance comfort and value. Bay Windows Birmingham services also cover installation in Vestavia Hills for maintenance or upgrade needs. Affordable bay windows in Vestavia Hills provide cost-effective solutions for budget-conscious homeowners. With a variety of styles and materials available, it's easy to find the perfect fit without sacrificing quality. Bay Windows Birmingham offers competitive pricing and excellent value. Bay Window Design in Vestavia Hills, AL, focuses on creating visually appealing and highly functional spaces. Homeowners can explore creative layouts and enhancements to fit their lifestyle. Bay Windows Birmingham professionals can implement features like built-in seating and added storage. Bay window maintenance in Vestavia Hills, AL, is vital for preserving the longevity and function of these elegant structures. Regular cleaning and sealing protect against wear and tear. Bay Windows Birmingham maintenance services help keep your windows in peak condition. Bay Window Trends in Vestavia Hills, AL, showcase exciting innovations in style and technology. From smart integrations to modern materials, these trends elevate the home. Bay Windows Birmingham upgrades include high-tech glazing and automated systems. Bay Window specialists in Birmingham offer expert guidance and precise installation to meet every homeowner's vision. With extensive experience in materials and dimensions, they provide tailored recommendations. Bay Windows Birmingham installation services are crafted to suit unique project requirements. Bay window benefits in Birmingham include improved ventilation, natural light, and curb appeal. These features open up any room and add elegance. Bay Windows Birmingham options are perfect for homeowners looking to transform their spaces. Bay Window Installation in Vestavia Hills, AL, offers many benefits for those looking to upgrade their living spaces. With custom bay windows Birmingham, Alabama, you can enhance natural light and visual appeal. Energy-efficient bay windows in Vestavia Hills provide both style and savings. Affordable bay windows Vestavia Hills come in a variety of styles to suit your budget and taste. Bay Windows Birmingham contractors are skilled in ensuring seamless installations. Whether you're upgrading or remodeling, design services in Vestavia Hills focus on creative, personalized solutions. Bay Window Replacement Birmingham is a great option for refreshing your home's look and function. Expert installation in Vestavia Hills keeps your windows in top shape. Choose from a wide variety of bay windows Birmingham styles to match any architectural design. Bay Window Experts Birmingham stay ahead of current trends in Vestavia Hills, ensuring your home remains modern and functional. With quality materials and innovative designs, Bay Windows Birmingham are both durable and stylish. Custom dimensions offer flexible options for any space. Bay window cost in Vestavia Hills, AL, remains competitive for all project sizes. The benefits of Bay Windows Birmingham include energy savings, property value increases, and aesthetic enhancements. Creative bay window ideas in Vestavia Hills offer endless possibilities. Bay window upgrades Birmingham, Alabama include new features that boost performance and appearance. Routine bay window maintenance in Vestavia Hills ensures long-term durability. Bay Windows Birmingham provides tailored solutions to fit any home improvement goal. Bay window options in Vestavia Hills include modern features and classic finishes. Popular Bay Windows Birmingham features include energy-efficient panes, weather-resistant frames, and decorative touches. Local specialists offer high-quality craftsmanship and service. Bay window customization in Vestavia Hills allows for designs that reflect your personality and taste. With stylish upgrades and smart functionality, Bay Windows Birmingham can completely transform your space. Trust local installation experts in Vestavia Hills, AL, for superior results.